Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp. WhatsApp also secures chats with end-to-end encryption. This means messages and media from any particular chat are only visible to the participants and cannot be accessed by anyone, including the company itself. While encryption secures your messages from being read by any third party, the same does not apply to your WhatsApp chat backup stored in iCloud or Google Drive. The method to encrypt WhatsApp chat backup on Android involves following this video. Open WhatsApp, tap the three-dot button on the top right, and tap Settings. Tap Chats, scroll down, and tap on Chat Backup to open the backup settings. To turn on automatic backup, tap Backup to Google Drive and choose an option between daily, weekly, or monthly. If you are doing this for the first time, you may need to authorize access to Google Drive using your Google account. On the same page, tap End-to-End Encryption Backup and turn on. Now, you can choose between a password and a 64-digit key. If you prefer using a password, tap Create Password. This password must have at least 7 characters, including 1 letter. Then, tap Next and re-enter the same password to cross-check against the one you previously entered. Tap Next again. The next screen requests your permission to create an encrypted backup of your WhatsApp chats. Tap Create to initiate this process. And if you choose the 64-digit encryption in step encryption, WhatsApp will generate a unique key. Long press on the key, tap Copy, and paste it into a text document or notes. Ensure you store it securely in a few places so it's easily accessible. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.